you don't seem to understand. Ashamed you seem an honest man. I know that this illusion will turn to whisper in your ear. And you know what to say without you. And you know that it seems to my life. And you don't even
YouTube, it's your boy Enthusiast. We're back with another video, baby, or yet another Saturday. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we're doing a POV drive in my E90 330i. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see for the videos to come. And yeah, I won't really press the car too much, but like you'll see we're gonna be going crazy in this video. But like, if you guys really like the videos, please tell me in the comments, because I don't really know. But yeah, if you guys want the part 2, please say. If you don't, I'll know because of the viewers and everything else. But like, yeah, let's get back to the video. I'm sure you guys are even wondering what kind of BMW driver uses turn signals. Like what? This guy's not a BMW driver. Wow, all that nonsense. But like, watch the video. Ish. If you guys want to know the bits and bobs of my car, I am going to put it on your screen right now as I talk to you guys about my car. So pay attention. It's a 2009 E90 330i that comes with a naturally aspirated 3-liter inline 6, bringing a whopping 202 kilowatts, sending all the power to the rear wheels, which is way faster than your guys' favorites, the Golf 7 and 8 GTI. I understand if you guys liked the Golf R, but like now you guys like the GTI. So I'm going to talk and talk. If you got something to say, if you got a problem what I'm saying right now, come at me. I don't care. I do not care. Come at me, baba. Come at me, boy. Like a slow, bruh. Like ish. Plus his friend will drive. Yo, it just comes with a lot of problems. But yeah, ish. What can I say? You guys like nonsense. So life changed, bro. My heart shaking in my boots, bro. So are you guys still talking? Nonsense, just nonsense. Okay, don't get me wrong, nah. The GTI sounds nice, but those guys put exhaust and all those other things to make the car sound nice because they know it's slow. But just wait. I'm having the works and talking to someone about his exhaust, nah. So when that exhaust and everything is finalized, nah, just wait. Just wait. Boy, just wait. I'm telling you. Boy, this thing gonna sound like a monster, boy. V6 with the downpipe and maybe a tune at most with a muffler delete. Boy, I don't know. Just watch what's going to happen. Yeah. Can you just say to this boy? Boy. Who's one? Yes. Oh, yeah. Can you just say to that, my friend? I can't. Boy. I think I want to do a U-turn because when it's like this, boy, gonna be stuck behind this person for so long. I'ma hit it for the last time, like the last time. Maybe not, I'm not sure. But like, boy, just watch. This one's gonna be marvelous, boy. Let's like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. We're on the way to 1,000 and yeah, can't do nothing without you guys, honestly. I won't even lie, but I won't make it sound like I need you, but I need you. I need you. So like, yes, do all those good stuff, man, and let's get me to where I want to be. Yeah. Just wait until I get that exhaust. I'm telling you, boy. I'm telling you, boy. Ish, boy, I'm telling you. Oh, boy. I think this is going to be where I cut the video short, because I said I don't want to make it longer than 10 or 50 minutes, and I think if I made it longer than 50 minutes or 50 minutes on the dot, it was just going to be me doing loops, and yeah, nobody wants to see that. So I am ending the video here. So yeah, bye.